Hello Mathieu, and hello everybody from the Singapore lab. I thought it would be kind of fun to make a short video to talk about my motivation for the job. So it's the first time I'm making this kind of exercise, and I don't know how many times I will need to tweak the video for the final version, but let's see. So let's talk about the project and the job. So why being so fascinated and excited about the project? From what I know about Singapore, actually I don't know Singapore very well yet, but from what I understand, it seems to be a place with a fairly much innovative mindset, a place which besides being quite dynamic economically, is a place where you can propose differentiating things in terms of consuming and hopefully in terms of practicing sport. I also feel like today we are at the moment when we need to make the right decisions and imagine the right future for our stores and retail in general. We need to find the right mix between web availability and store physical experience. And from what I've seen and from what you have achieved from Singapore lab, I think that you've already set up a quite high standard. So it's a perfect opportunity to think all this a little bit further and propose new innovative experiences and ways of doing business. RFID can of course help a lot in this process, not on its own. It will need to be complemented by human actions and other technologies. And I will definitely love to be involved to lead some of the processes of this project. So be it for our stores or for our warehouses, I'm very motivated to change our customer experience and also make our teammate everyday life much simpler. The RFID robot and the quick checkout systems are a very good example for this. But I believe that, and you can find this in our innovation roadmap, we can improve the systems. We can do more in terms of complementarity between RFID and other technologies. We can improve the interaction in between our teammates and our customers. And of course, we can definitely make sure that all the requested products are always available and shipped. And finally, to say a little word about myself, I am PlamenIliev. I'm 37 years old, I'm married, I have one little daughter of 1 year old. I love sport, I practice a lot of sport, I'm a big fan of football, I run a lot, I try to swim as often as possible, I do some biking, paddle, volleyball. What I like when sport means fun and meeting other people. Previously, after completing my engineering studies in France, I have worked for a tag manufacturer in production and design and for an RFID solution provider for the aerospace industry. I think that I'm a curious person, always willing to learn and to achieve more, and also love team challenges. So, I will definitely love to tell you more about all of this and hopefully see you very soon.